guys, we got a huge teacher SHEIN. Girl, can't talk. I'm kind of like, oh, I'm dreading this try on because it's a huge SHEIN teacher haul with a lot of things. It's going to be probably be a lengthy video, but I got a lot of trying on to do and steaming these clothes and ironing these clothes before I try them on. So I'm gonna try to do this all in one day. If for some reason I can't get it all done, my hair and makeup will be different towards the end of the video. But for right now, let's try on all of these clothes. That's a lot. It's a lot, y'all. Let's start. All right, so first up is this really cute, nice and flowy jumper, you guys. The only thing that's missing is that it does not have pockets, but I actually love the detailing. It has this detailing here with like the scallopness on the sides. Super duper cute. I just paired it with this shirt. This shirt is actually from Abercrombie. It's a little mock neck, but you can put any type of shirt underneath this on one that I could find. If you can't wear sleeveless, feel free to put on actually full sleeves. But anybody who loves leopard, this look is for you. This is so cute, nice and flowy. If you're pregnant, it's also very forgiving in the tummy area. If the tummy area is your problem area, y'all know I love a good wide leg moment. So this haul is about to be a lot of wide legs. So this is the first one that is up, and I'm absolutely obsessed. I love this. Okay, so this next outfit is, again, super duper cute. I love how the shirt, it says Friday, happy Friday. So this is like a Friday type of shirt. I love these pants. They are on the thinner side. Y'all know how SHEIN can be a little hit and miss. They're cute, checkered, but they are thin. So if you're gonna be outside with the kids, running around with them, something that you don't mind getting dirty, if you're a kindergarten teacher, these are the type of pants that I would suggest that you buy. You get paint on them, it's okay. They're cheap. So I think that is good for teachers as well. I mean, I invest in quality pieces, but you can find cute pieces on SHEIN at affordable prices, which is the reason why I continue to shop SHEIN. I like it. I love that it has pockets. It has a drawstring at the waistband, and they are pull on, so they have a lot of. They're pretty forgiving in the area. I think I did get a large 810 with these, and it just looks cute. The shirt is actually more of like a fitted type of material, so it's not like a very loose one. I think I got a large in this too, and I think it's cute. I think it's a cute little fun outfit. You know, kids are color, so this haul is going to be a lot of color, a couple of neutrals as well, but for the most part, we're talking color. Okay, so I'm loving this. If I was a teacher, you would catch me in every single one of these outfits. I love this top. It is like a see-through knit material. I love that it has the detailing and bow on each side. I love pairing these type of tights, this type of top with some wide leg pants, and these wide leg jeans are so soft. And I like the way they fit. They're a little snug, if you ask me. I kind of I would like it a little bit more flower, but this is a large 810 order up on the jeans, but they're super cute. I love how wide leg they are. They were easy to iron. I am 5'5", and you can kind of see where they stop at on me. These are cute. It has pockets. I have on this a plain camisole underneath this top because it is straight see-through, so it's cute. It's breathable. If you have bus duty or anything like that, you'll be outside. It's not nothing that's super heavy, but it is knitwear material. I love it. I think it's cute. So next up we have this cute flowy green dress. This dress screams fall. It'll be even cuter. Now I dressed it up with some heels, but it'll be even cuter if you put on with like some tennis shoes and a jean jacket. I love how stretchy the top is. Like, it's super duper stretchy, and it's super forgiving in the waist area. I just paired on, like, these are my real glasses, but they are that green color that match this outfit perfectly, just to kind of give like a little extra touch of accessories. I'll have this necklace linked down below. It's a beautiful, colorful necklace. This is in some SHEIN, and I believe I can find one like this off of Amazon. It has a little green heart there that is so cute, but it did come from Amazon. I'll see if I can find one on SHEIN. If not, I have this already linked on my LTK. This dress is just really cute, very comfortable. I did dress it up with some heels. Like I said, you can definitely put tennis shoes on with this and still look very put together. This is one of those effortless looks. You just throw in and go. I love this dress. It is just perfection. Okay, so now we have this dress that it's not love. it's not a love. I'm gonna be straight up honest with you. The material is more on the thinner side, and it is a little fitted right here, so you can see I'm kind of busting up the seams. But I mean, if I kept it, I could definitely just stitch it. I have a stitch gun. The back is corset. If sure if I loosen this up, it'll probably give a tighter fit or a looser fit here. And then the sleeves, I just was being lazy, so I didn't end up not doing it. But I do love the length of this dress. I think it's cute for like a meet and greet if you're going to, you know, maybe a award ceremony, something like that. Whatever reason a teacher would dress up for, I think this dress is cute for that occasion. It's just not a love for me, but I want to at least show you guys. It's an option. Okay, now this one was not a love, but this is a love. I love these floral jeans. They're jean material, you guys. Wide leg. There's a little bit of stretch, not a whole lot, but they're super cute. I love how wide leg they are. It could be even a little bit wider for me. I love a wide leg moment, so it's no surprise there. I love how the shirt says teach. What does it say? Teach compassion, teach kindness, and teach confidence. And the colors go really well with these jeans. This is, again, super cute, and it's actually a very comfortable outfit. Like, I love it. It's giving spring, summery, so if you don't want to buy this now and then wear it in spring, you can definitely do that. But teachers, to me, are bright and colorful all year, so I would wear this any time of the year. But if you want to match the season, then definitely put the floral in the springtime. But I think this is cute. I kind of want to be a teacher at this point. Okay, so this shirt has the baby blue and the bow in it that says teach, along with these floral pants. Now these pants are way more comfortable, way more flowy and forgiving than the jeans, of course, because of the material. This is one of the ones that just like a super lightweight that you could wear to be comfortable at school. I love how this looks together. It is so cute, and I think that the pants are perfect because I am 5'5", and they stop like right at my feet with these little mules on. I've been wearing this because most teachers have to wear closed-toe shoes, so I have these little slide-on heels here. I think I got these from Kohl's last year or a couple years ago, but I absolutely love this outfit. This is super duper cute, and it is giving springtime as well, but perfect to wear any time of the school year. So next up is this. I love this top. I have this top in blue and tan from Amazon. I want to try out the black one from SHEIN to see the quality of it. It is exactly the same as the one that I got from Amazon. And I'm sure much, much cheaper. So it is see-through, so I have a camisole underneath it. These pants are a no-go. I don't really care for the way that they fit. I thought they would be more wide leg, and they're like a little flared. So if you're short, these might work for you. I am 5'5", and they are a little bit shorter than what I like. When I pull them down, my crotch is all the way down here. So somebody who is, you know, shorter, has a shorter torso, then these pants that work for you. For me, they did not. But this top, definitely working for me. I love it. Okay, so I love the pencil, this top, this shirt. It says teachers love inspire with the ruler and the pencil and the apple. It's just giving teacher vibes all around. It's just it's a plain black t-shirt with looks like print on it, so it's nothing that's like, you know, amazing quality or anything like that. It's just an easy throw on and go shirt. I like this skirt. It is on a see-through, so you need to wear shorts or a slip underneath this skirt. I'm assuming because it's yellow, so it is a little, you know, on the thinner side. I paired it with some little peep toe heels. These are from Amazon. I'll link some similar ones, or actually I'll link these. These are, when I worked corporate, I wore these out. That's if you're allowed to wear peep toe. At school, everybody had, every parish, we have parishes here in Louisiana, but every county is different. So just, you know, this is just outfit inspirations for you guys. And that's it. Girl, I'm out of breath. I still have all the rest of it to go. I have one more dress, and then from there we're gonna shift over to the sets of from SHEIN, because I know I love a good set, and I think I have like 6 of those. So let's wrap this up quickly. This dress I am in love with. So comfortable, nice and flowy. I love that it has this drawstring here. I think this is cute for maternity. If you're pregnant, it'll draw this and then your belly underneath it. It is so cute for maternity. Even if somebody who, you know, if someone's insecurity, this definitely covers it all. It has pockets. Y'all, the dress has pockets. That is speaking my love language, and I love it. I love how it's not really the mock, well, it's called a mock neck because it goes up pretty high. And of course, the full sleeves. I love it. I love the color. It's just one of those easy throw on and go dresses. I live for moments like this. I love dresses like this. It's just an effortless look. Effortless looks should be my middle name because I love it. And this is definitely one of those. All right, so now we are transitioning over to the SHEIN sets. I am gonna do a separate reel just for these sets because I love a good set, honey. And SHEIN, this is my first time trying sets from them, and I think it's perfect for work attire. You don't have to worry about buying separate pieces. You could just buy the whole set and have another effortless look. So this first one is this beautiful brown fall colors. It does tie around here in the back, so you have a string here. There's a little hole on this side. I have on this little brown camisole just because, you know, it's a little bit inappropriate to wear this low of a cut to work. So you can definitely pick it up even higher, or you can put one of those little lace tops underneath it. This is cute. The only thing I feel like is missing is pockets. If it had pockets, it would be the set for every corporate girly, but there's no pockets. And for me, I like to carry my phone in my pockets. I like to have my hands in my pockets. It's just, I love a pocket. Give me a pocket, you're speaking to my heart. So this is cute even without it. So yeah, and it comes in, I think it comes in other colors. I have everything linked down below. It'll all be on my LTK and my Mabley. Every link is down below in the description box just for you. So make sure that you shop those, and let me put a little plug in there. Thank you guys for shopping my links. Let me say that, because you don't have to, so I appreciate it. Now let's get back to the sets. So next up is this cute two-piece. It is sleeveless. You have to wear a shirt underneath it for corporate to make it appropriate, or a nice blazer jacket would be cute underneath it. I love how the front has the little pleats to it. The back also ties like a corset in the back, so you can make this tighter if you wanted to. Like if you wanted to make it like this, you could definitely do that to give it a more fitted look. I love how wide leg they are. This is just a cute set. I love the baby blue color as well. I can go on and on about it, but you pick up what I'm putting down. It's just a cute set, and I like the material because it's thin. You know, you should like the material. I kind of like this because this one is very breathable. So people, teachers out there, if you get hot, this would be like good for you. I am in love. This yellow, first of all, yellow is my color. Okay, it's no secret there. Anybody who follows me knows that I like to buy yellow because it looks so good against my skin, especially when I have my red hair. We got a wig on today, but when I have my red hair, it's everything. I'm gonna toot my own horn right now, so toot. This color and this set is so cute, and I gotta say the quality is actually not that bad on this. I really can't say anything. It has a pull-on waist, and so with the elastic back, so if you have a junk in your trunk, this won't have, you won't have to worry about that back gap back here. I love how wide-legged it is. It has pockets. Y'all know. Enough about pockets. Of course, if you cannot wear sleeveless, you can just throw on a jacket, a shrug, something like that on top of it to make it look more, make it look more polished and corporate ready. I love it. I love it. I can't wait to wear this. I'm just, I love it. Okay, this next two-piece is a shirt and a skirt. This is giving springtime because of the pastel yellow, but again, if you want teachers who like color year-round, this is for you. I'm not giving you guys the full picture because even the back has detailing. I just want somebody to button me up, but there are gold buttons that go up the back to make this even cuter. And I like how high-necked it goes right here. It has full sleeves, and the skirt is pleated, super nice and flowy. It is a little see-through, so make sure you wear shorts or a slip underneath it to make it work appropriate. I do love the color. I just feel very cute, feminine, and like it's just cute. I just think it looks really, really good. I like it. I look at myself in the mirror and I'm just like, girl, you look good. You want to go back to work? Do I want to go back to work? No, I just want to show you guys the cute clothes so y'all can look cute at work while I'll be at home doing this, trying them on. The fun part. Okay, next up is another two-piece set. It does not have pockets, but it's super flowy and super cute. It's like that gingham material design. The back Now, for some, this may not be work appropriate. For some, this is okay. But it has the open back. I just have on the same camisole that I had on earlier. It's cute little detailing. I really, really, really like this. I like, the pants could be a lot more wider than what they are. But for the most part, I do like these. If you see this on here, I had to go get a CAT scan done on my head. So just ignore this. That's why I had to take a break to recharge the camera. And now I'm back in action. So yeah, this is really, really, really cute. I like it. I like the peplum top as well. I mean, it's cute. Pull-on pants as well. Cute and springy. Summery type of set, but I would wear it to work, but I don't know what the dress code is for teachers, so do what you will with that. Okay, this is really cute for, I think this is like a principal look, a corporate girly look. I like the wide leg. I like the peplum of it. Super loose and flowy here. So, I mean, it's good. It has a buckle here to tighten this just for a little bit more detail, so you can make this tighter or not. Again, the same camisole that I've been wearing this whole try on. I like it. I like the wide legness of the pants as well. The only thing it's missing, y'all know how I feel about pockets. There are no pockets, but other than that, it's still a really, really cute set, and I love this gray color. It's just giving very nice. You can definitely put a red shirt underneath this, a black shirt underneath this. I just went with nude because it's what I already had on, so do with that as you will. All right, and then last but not least is we're going out with a banger. I love this two-piece set. Nice flowy skirt. Y'all, it has pockets. Y'all know that's what is pockets? My love language to any outfit, any dress, any pants, any skirt. If you got pockets, I love it. I like how it is kind of cropped, so I would definitely, wear a camisole underneath it just for what's the word? Dignity purposes, I guess, because if you're a teacher, you don't want to be at school showing your skin. And if I have it kind of high, but if you wanted to wear it low, you would definitely need something to in between the two, because it could be a cropped top with a long skirt. I love how nice and flowy it is. This is just super duper comfortable, and I like it. I like the neck sleeve. I like how, the neckline. I like how the sleeves go. It's just super duper cute. All right, you guys, that is it for this SHEIN teacher try on. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you see and find some cute pics and that you can recreate these outfits. Thank you guys for purchasing off my links. I will check you guys out in my next video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.